Hey guys, it's your girl Lucky Mike Kitty guys here. Welcome back to another video. So guys, today is Thursday, and you know what that means? That means the brand new update. Let's see what it is. So first up is Pixel Place. Looking for a place to hang up all your amazing pixel masterpieces? Pixel Place is perfect for gamers who want to take a walk on the 8-bit side. So be sure to pick up this beautiful blocky den today. Great. Ooh, that looks spicy. Happy birthday! Oh, happy birthday! Animal Jam is turning 8 years old. Yay! To celebrate the birthday party, just Animal Jam is turning 8 years old. To celebrate, the AJ birthday party is open for business. Party with your buddies on top of the giant birthday cake, and pick up the statues of Jama's many heroes. As an added bonus, you can redeem the code AJBDay8 for a special birthday surprise from Animal Jam to you. Yay! Alright, let's see. There's butter. Alright guys, sorry for that. So, now moving on to the Pixel Den items. Looking to complete the look of your Pixel place? Keep your eyes open for all the Pixel Den items that will be coming to shop soon. Oh, big changes! It's not just leaves that change during the year, animals go through all sorts of big changes too. Learn more learn more at the Conservation Museum in Apondale. Cool. Summer Carnival sale! The Summer Carnival is coming to a close, which means every Summer Carnival prize is on sale for half off. There's never been a better time to redeem the last of your carnival tickets to stop by the Summer Carnival by finding it in the party list. Cool. What? Make way for new t-shirts. Make way for new shirts. The Animal Jam t-shirts at animaljambox.com are leaving soon to make room for new designs. This is the last chance to pick up these limited edition shirts before they're gone. Alright guys. So since we're in Apondale now, let's go to the Conservation Museum. Check out what was happening over here. I totally forgot, so let's go check it out. Alright, here. Go to the museum. I'm at the museum. I don't want to do so many safety quiz. And I've donated a lot to this already. Like, when I say a lot, sister, I mean a lot. So, anyways, moving on. Let's go see what they are talking about here. Big changes, alright. During winter, many animals all across the north grow thick white coats. And that thick white coats that keep them concealed in the snow. Right, next. In addition to their winter coats, animals like snow leopards and Arctic foxes grow thick fur on the bottom of their feet to keep them balanced and warm in the snow. White fur has no color, which leaves more room for air inside the fibers. This air helps keep animals insulated and warm. Right, this is a lot. Oh, okay, so it's the last one. All right. Mammals grow thick coats for winter, but birds need to keep them warm. But birds need to keep warm too. Some birds grow extra feathers in the fall to prepare for the cold. Well, that is cool. Now, what is this? What is this? Oh, look, it's the claw. Cool. All right. Let's really here. And this is like the same animal that I always use. So now let's go to the diamond shop. Oh, sorry about that, people. Let's head over to the diamond shop. Sorry, guys. Or somewhere where I can just get the pixel pen. Because I don't know if it's here. Whoa! Normally when I go to the diamond shops, they're never this packed. I've never seen a diamond shop this packed before. Alright, 5 diamonds. I have 19. Well, why not we buy it? Woo! Alright, go to my den. Let's go check it out. Oh, I was trying to make one of those grassy type of theme dens. You guys know what I mean. But it didn't turn out too well. So, don't know what I was doing there. Now here's a pixel den. It looks pretty cool. I have it on Animal Jam Play Wild. So, I wonder if it's the same from here and Animal Jam Play Wild. I mean, like, it doesn't really look the same, to be honest. So, I mean, like, it looks cool and all. Can I get over to oh, there's a bridge over here. Oh, that's so cute. That's cute how they had a little bridge. But there's really not much on this side. This little bit of stuff. But this den is just going to be a complete pixel den when the pixel items come out. So let me see if there's anything else that I missed. Oh yeah, the code. So, AJB Day 8. Alright, redeem code. AJB Day 8. Enter. See? Oh, an 8th birthday cake. That is so cool, guys. Alright, let's see. Let's check it out. See what they do this year for the special birthday cake. But I love it because it's like a sweet birthday cake. I think this is the first ever birthday cake where it comes out with like other foods. Oh, it's so cute. Anything else? There has to be more than just this, right? You're kidding me. That's all that's there? No. No, no, no. Really? Oh. Oh, that's cute. Is there anything else? No, that's just it. Alright, well, this is a very, very cute birthday cake. Wait, what? Did I just go under it? Oh my god, I just ran through the cake. That is totally normal, guys. I can run. Okay. But you know what? That's cool. That's cool. Right. What on earth am I doing? Alright. Now let's see. But is there anything else that I missed? Because I keep forgetting. Oh, the summer carnival. We gotta go over there. Alright. So the tickets are now on sale. I'm guessing that is not what I'm looking for. Summer carnival. Alright. I wanna go here and do whatever before the summer carnival ends. The summer carnival is like the best. It's like one, not the best, but one of the best um things. You know what I mean by things. One of the best times for one of the best seasons. One of the best seasons. That makes more sense. Oh, I'm tired. Alright, but I'm pretty sure like the best seasons are the Jammal holiday seasons and like the Halloween seasons. I forgot what they called it here. RIP. Or I forgot what they called it in Animal Jam. Rainbow balloon. Rainbow balloon. But that is actually really cool. I'm gonna go play one of my favorite games. I think it was, yeah, I love playing Phantom Ball. I don't know why. I just do. Alright, well that one was really bad. Oh wow, I got 250. Let's see if I can get 250 in the middle. Oh, but your girl got 300. Can I get 50? Nope, 250. Woo! 300 again. Whoa. My high score, for some strange reason, is 385. My score now is 1,110. I mean, like, and I play this game all the time during the summer carnival, because, like I said, this is, like, one of my favorite games during the summer carnival, but, you know what, it's alright. As it comes to you. I don't know, I'm just singing a random song, guys, because that's what I do when I play these games. I start singing random songs. There we go. Alright, let's see how many tickets. I got 88 tickets. Oh, woo! No, I don't want to play again. No, cancel. No, don't leave. Let me leave. Alright. Let me see if I can go buy the pineapple hat. I really want to buy my pineapple hat. Just because I want to, so don't judge me. Hopefully I have enough for it. No, it's 1,000 tickets. Carol's hat. Alright. So I hope you guys whoa, what did I oh click on someone. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. What type of accent was that? I wasn't even trying to go for an accent. So I hope you guys let's try this again. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.